Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I'm just going to read off a few specs for the Civic Type R. It's a 2.0 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It's 315 horsepower at 6,500 RPM, 310 pound-feet at 2,600 RPM. The transmission's a 6-speed manual with automatic rev matching control, front-wheel drive, 0 to 60 in about 4.9 seconds, top speed 170 miles per hour. Boost PSI 25.2. Its red line's at 7,000. And the front suspension, dual axis McPherson strut designed to eliminate torque steer, help you with that turbo. The rear suspension is multi-link, and it has adaptive damper systems for the suspension. Front brakes, Brembo 4-piston aluminum front calipers. Wheels and tires are 19-inch matte black alloy wheels paired with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. So tell me what you guys think. This is kind of cool because Civics were typically an economy car that people would mod up. So this one comes already done. So tell me if you think a Civic's worth $47,545, and that might be before even a markup, definitely before tax. But let me know what you guys think about the Civic Type R and if you'd ever own one. So basically, this car is going to be a mid 13-second quarter-mile car, 13.5 at 106 miles per hour. Yeah, by comparison, the Toyota GR Corolla is at 13.3 quarter-mile, so a little bit faster, but only at 105, 1 mile an hour slower. So the Civic may be catching it at the end. And in the same kind of class, the Volkswagen Golf R is a lot faster at 12.5 at 111 miles per hour, and that's an all-wheel drive 7-speed. So what do you guys think as far as those three? Which is the best one? Which one would you take? I like the Honda styling. I think I'd have that over the other ones, but I also kind of like Hondas just since we grew up with Civics in the high school era. They were very popular, so it was kind of fun to see them, even though I'm more of the Mustang guy. But let me know your guys' thoughts. I think these newer cars are coming with really nice options, and that's why they do cost, $45,000 plus when you're looking at how much upgrades they come with, but that's why they cost that. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.